Welcome to our channel. If you are encountering Hulu error code P-DEV320, which typically indicates a playback issue, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check if Hulu is experiencing a service outage by visiting downdetector.com or checking Hulu's social media for status updates. If there is an outage, wait for Hulu to resolve it. Step 2. Close the Hulu app completely and restart it. On most devices, you can force close apps through the Task Manager or App Switcher. Step 3. Restart your streaming device by turning it off, unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Step 4. Check your internet connection speed by running a speed test. Ensure you have at least 3 megabits per second for HD streaming on Hulu. Step 5. Clear the Hulu app cache by going to your device's settings, finding the Hulu app, and selecting Clear Cache or Clear Data. Step 6. Uninstall the Hulu app completely from your device by selecting Uninstall in your device's app management settings. Step 7. Restart your device again to ensure all changes take effect and clear any residual app data. Step 8. Reinstall the Hulu app from your device's App Store and log in with your account credentials. The error P-DEV320 should now be resolved and streaming should work normally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.